That's the ideal size and thickness. The robotic arm can proceed with the gentle removal now.
The cactus sections enter advanced pressing machines where controlled pressure removes excess natural moisture without damaging the valuable plant fibers.
The pressed cactus fibers is transferred into large climate-controlled drying chambers, where carefully regulated airflow and temperature.
The dried cactus material enters powerful industrial grinding systems that transform it into an ultra-fine natural fiber. Gigantic stainless steel mixing vessels blend the refined cactus fibers with plant-based binders, natural resins, eco-friendly. Automated finishing, where precision trimming machines smooth every edge. Robotic applicators apply coating before gentle polishing wheels create clean, elegant edges.
Soft premium fabric linings, zippered compartments, hidden pockets, card holders, and reinforced inner panels are carefully fitted inside every handbag. Every finished cactus leather handbag passes through a comprehensive inspection, where AI-powered cameras and experienced quality inspection. Automated warehouse robots prepare shipments for luxury boutiques and fashion retailers around the world.